Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Visitor's Laser Jeep from the TV series V. And as you can see, I'm just about on the home stretch now. The body is almost finished. I'll just need to add a few details to the hood, the windshield wipers, side view mirror, and the decals. But otherwise, this is pretty much done. Taking a look around here. Get the taillights painted and installed. The spare tire is out of Revell's GMC kit because I didn't want to cannibalize another diecast for just one more tire and have 3 random tires sitting around. And since spare tire covers were an option for Jeeps at the time, I went ahead with that. And got the dashboard all painted up. The gauge faces are some decals that I made. And I also scratch built the grab handle on the passenger side, but everything else in there is just straight out of the kit. And for all of the flash issues this kit has, the engraving on small stuff like that is actually pretty nice. That's that. And under the hood, got the engine finished now. Got all of the plug wiring, the appropriate radiator hose. Got a little bit fancy with the brake lines on it, just put some expansion coils in there. Scratch built the snorkel from the air cleaner, added a fuel line, some battery cables. I tried to get it as close to correct as I could find, but finding pictures of stock mid-80s Jeeps is really difficult. There's not a whole lot of them left anymore. But I figured, if there's a few things that are modified, like the removal of emissions control equipment, I'll just consider that an acceptable modification for the time. But tried to get it as close to stock as I could. So that's where it is now. The only things I've got left at this point are the seats, which I've modified one of them from the 70s style with the tufted cushions to the 80s style. And I'm going to try to make a resin copy of that. And then I still need to scratch build the laser for the back. I've been waiting for the tool that I need to make the proper tubing cuts, and that's just been slow on delivery. Should be here any time now, and then I can get to work on that. So, yeah, this is finally getting close to finish. This whole year has been a bit slow on projects, but I got a couple of them coming together between the Miami Vice Ferrari that I posted a couple days ago, and then this. And I am going to be posting another update to the Nightmare on Elm Street Cadillac in the next couple days. So come back and check that out as well. Thanks for watching.